Lesson 5 Fun with TUX Paint. Lesson Objective. Learn about the features and advantages of TUX Paint. Components of TUX Paint. List the screen components of TUX Paint window. Use the paintbrush tool. Use the text tool, stamp tool, magic tool, line tool. Save a drawing in TUX Paint. Open a saved file. TUX Paint. TUX Paint is a drawing program for kids. It is easy to use. It has sound effects also. Features of TUX Paint. It can be downloaded and used free of cost. The drawing mascot at the end of the TUX window helps one to know better about the software. The large variety of tools present in the TUX toolbox help the children to give an enhanced look and create highly creative designs. One may even add a stamp once through the drawing. TUX also gives background sound effects on selecting the tools. The images are saved directly as thumbnails. Facts.com. Bill Kendrick developed TUX Paint. Components of TUX Paint. Toolbar. It contains different tools. Selector. It shows different symbols depending on the selected tool in the toolbar. Colors box. It is used to select colors. Drawing canvas. It is the white area of the screen where you create your drawing. Help area. It provides tips and other information. Facts.com. The selector contains two buttons on it, up and down. Click these buttons to see more symbols in the Stamp tool, Magic tool, New tool. The toolbar. The toolbar in TUX Paint has different tools. Let us learn about New tool, Magic tool, and Stamp tool. Inserting a drawing. Follow these steps to insert ready-made drawing. Step 1. Click on New tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click on Down button. You see many ready-made pictures. Step 3. Select the picture of your choice. Step 4. Click on Open button. The picture appears on the drawing canvas. Coloring a drawing. After having inserted your drawing, you can fill colors in it, just as you fill colors using your crayons. To fill colors in a drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Magic tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Select Fill Effect from the selector. Step 3. Select the color of your choice from the color box. Step 4. Click inside the area to fill the color in it. Using the Paint tool. Just like the Brush tool in MS Paint, Paint tool in TUX Paint is used to draw freehand drawings and images using various brushes. Colors are chosen from color palette. If you want to draw a flower with TUX Paint, follow given steps. Step 1. Select the Paint tool in Tools box. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes to a paintbrush. Step 2. Hold the left mouse button down and draw a circle. Step 3. Now draw the petals. The Text tool. Just like MS Paint, TUX Paint lets you add text to your drawings using the Text tool. TUX Paint automatically adjusts the text box according to the text you type in it. To use the Text tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the ABC Text tool and bring the pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into a cursor. Step 2. Choose from the various text fonts from Subtool box. Step 3. Click in the drawing area and type the desired text. Step 4. Press Enter key to make the border of the text box disappear. The Stamp tool. The Stamp tool is like a sticker. It is used to paste ready-made images on the drawing canvas. You can choose the desired stamp from the Subtool box. One can even choose to use the mirror image of the stamp using the mirror option. The slope bar helps one set the size of the stamp. The Lines tool. The Lines tool is used to draw straight lines. To use the Lines tool, follow the following steps. Step 1. Click on Line button on toolbar. Step 2. Select the different size of the line from the selector. Step 3. Select the color from Color Palette. Step 4. Click and hold left mouse button and draw the line in the drawing area. Step 5. Release the left mouse button when finished. The Shape tool. The Shape tool is used to draw filled and unfilled shapes. When you click on the Shapes tool, the selector shows different types of shapes. To draw shapes, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Shapes tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Choose the shape of your choice from the selector. Step 3. Choose the color from the Colors box. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse to stretch the shape out and leave the mouse button to get the shape drawn. Facts.com. TUX Paint has a drawing mascot which displays a hint or an instruction for you in the help area. The Magic tool. The Magic tool is a set of special effects. When you select Magic tool from the toolbar, the selector shows different magic effects. Use up and down buttons to choose any effect. Then, depending on the effect, either drag around the picture or simply click the picture once to apply the effect. You also hear different sounds on using different magic effects. You have already used the Fill Magic effect to fill colors in a picture. Let us learn to use some magic effects. Bricks. There are two types of bricks effects. Just click the type you want and drag in the drawing canvas. Flower. Use this effect to draw colorful flowers. Choose the color and drag or just click in the drawing canvas. Grass. Use this effect to draw grass. Click or drag in the drawing canvas. Rails. This effect is used to draw rail tracks in the drawing canvas. Rainbow. This effect is used to draw a rainbow in the drawing canvas. Use of the Sub toolbox. The Sub toolbox has options of brush, shapes, and special effects. It is present on the right-hand side with more than 50 options. Using the Haze brush shape. Haze brush is basically used to draw things that are far off. To use the Haze brush, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the Paint tool. Step 2. Select the smallest brush from the Sub toolbox. Step 3. Now draw a tree. Step 4. Now select the Haze brush shape. Step 5. Select brown color to draw small mountains at the back of the tree. Different pattern brush shapes. One can find innovative and creative patterns in TUX Paint which can be used to create beautiful images. To use the pattern brush shapes, follow these steps. Step 1. Select Paint tool. Step 2. Select any desired pattern that you would like to draw. Step 3. Move the pointer to the drawing area and start creating patterns. For example, the cat and the squirrel are painted in a running position in the TUX Paint drawing area. Saving the file. You can store the drawing that you have made in your computer so that you can see it later. To save a file, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Save tool. A dialog box appears. Step 2. Click on the desired option, that is yes or no. If you click yes, the image file will be saved as a thumbnail in TUX Paint. Key points. The large variety of tools present in the TUX Paint toolbox help children to give an enhanced look to the drawing. One can simply open TUX Paint by clicking on the TUX Paint icon on desktop. Paint tool in TUX Paint is used to draw freehand drawings and images. The Sub toolbox has options of brush shapes and special effects. Magic tool allows you to give amazing effect to the pictures. Line tool is used to draw straight lines and patterns. TUX Paint lets you add text to your drawings using the ABC text tool.